In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put a birthday story on Instagram Shoutout. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Instagram on your device. Now make sure that you're signed in into your Instagram account. Once you're signed in to your account, go ahead and click on the Your Story button that you find at the top left corner of your screen. This will allow you to create an Instagram story for your Instagram account. And here, go ahead and click on the camera button. Be able to use the Instagram camera. In this section, go ahead and click on the create button, which you'll find at the left side of your screen. And here, you can simply select the available colors that you can use as your background. You can do that by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you've selected a background color, you can go ahead and swipe right. Once you swipe right, you'll be able to use this happy birthday template. And here, go ahead and click on that area. In this section, you'll need to mention the user that you want to greet happy birthday to on Instagram. And your shared post or story with that person will pop on your screen if you have one, but if you don't have one, both of your icons will pop in this area. You can customize this further by incorporating some stickers that you can find on Instagram. If you want to incorporate a sticker, you can also add a background song for this birthday shout out using their favorite song or a happy birthday song that you can find on Instagram. And here, go ahead and customize how you want this song to look like. Click on the done button once you're done. Once you have finalized your birthday shout out, you can go ahead and post this as your Instagram story. You can do that by clicking on the icon beside the close friends button, and that will allow you to post this as your Instagram story.